about Apple apps and how to integrate those with Addigy. So within my policy here, I'm going to click software. We have three types of software that we're working with, right? Smart software and pre-built apps are primarily for our Mac OS applications, all right? These are third-party Mac OS apps, and smart software would be for any of those Mac OS apps that you want to deploy to your fleet of machines. Apple apps, although also has some Mac OS apps available, is primarily used for managing applications in iOS, iPad, or tvOS. And establishing the Apple apps connection is very similar to what we've gone through in several videos, right? We're downloading a file from Addigy, uploading the file to Apple. Apple then provides us with the token that we need, right? And what does that look like? So within integrations and settings, I'll select Apple apps. Okay, then I'm going to now navigate into Apple Business Manager. Locations. I'm going to call this location here Bravo Networks. This is my test company that I like to use. This is not a real address. Right. I am just pretending that this is the company that I normally manage. Right. And I'm going to manage their Apple apps catalog. So the company name is Bravo Networks. What I'll then do is go into my account, payments, and provide you with my credit card information. I'm just kidding. I know you wish that were the case. But that's not going to happen here today, folks. So I'll click Apple, or rather Apps and Books. I'm going to use Command F, as that helps a lot. And there is my MDM server for automated device enrollment. But most importantly, here is also my Apple Apps token, which I'm then going to download, bring it into Addigy. Upload new token, upload the token, and there's our token, right? So we have established a connection between Apple Apps and the policy. Here I can enable token inheritance, and I can also set my applications to auto-update. But what exactly does that process look like, right? So that process is as follows. I'll go back into Apple Business Manager, go to Apple Apps, and I'll select, or search for rather, Splash Top. This is our screen sharing option for iOS machines. You'll find the app license that you're looking to purchase. You'll then point to the Apple app token that you're purchasing it for. In this case, I'll just purchase 10 licenses of Splash Top SOS. Now, when I go back into Addigy and I hit Scan Now, there is my Apple app application. There is no limit to how many apps you can purchase, right? Or how many licenses you can purchase. I believe the limit is 25,000 licenses, but as far as apps here, you can basically get as many of them as you need. Okay? Thank you for your time.